Now, questions are again being raised about why a $70 million market, which was supposed to have been constructed in the Grill, has failed to get off the ground. Local government minister Desmond McKenzie today publicly blasted the Sav-la-mar Mayor Bertel Moore for the delay. But as Kirk Wright now reports, the mayor is insisting it is not his fault.
To say local government minister Desmond McKenzie was simply upset when he visited the Negril market on Thursday would not truly represent his emotion when he turned up at the facility.
And I am extremely disappointed. And if you cut me right now, you couldn't find red or green blood in my body. The way I'm disappointed.
The minister was peeved because he says the local government ministry allocated over $70 million to the Westmoreland Municipal Corporation in 2017 to build a new market. The vendors on the land where the new market is to be built were to be given notices. They were to be relocated to the adjoining space during the construction phase of the new facility. But the mayor contends that he was unable to begin the project because the drawing for the new market to this day has not been approved.
We have not seen this come to us at a planning meeting for us to approve it.
The Negril Chamber President Richard Wally says he was instructed that the plan is ready and that it will be taken to the next council meeting next month.
But in the meantime, other things can be happening around it. It's not the plan that is holding up everything. Notices can be served, etc., etc. Other things can be happening at the same time. So everything is not waiting on the plan.
Member of Parliament for Westmoreland Western, Moreland Wilson, argues that even with the absence of the drawing, the mayor could have served notices and relocate the vendors in preparation for the construction.
The project is actually going in the reverse. The last time we came here, we had less buildings. Now we have more. That is not the direction that we want this project to go in. In fact, I would have thought and hoped that these notices would have been issued. It has been our third visit, nothing has happened. So it's like there is an attitude of inaction and inefficiency in the overall approach to this project.
The only thing I can say that the council may be lacking is to serve the notices.
Concern is also being raised that even with these signs that no building is to take place, more vendors have set up shop on the land.
A lot of these buildings, how can you have and properties owned by the municipal corporation, a building sign for sale, people selling a property on government land here in Negril, and the municipality don't see this, has taken no actions about it? It's ridiculous, man.
We caught up with a man who says he owns the building.
I have obtained the property through legal means, and I have developed my business, which COVID has shut down. So I have no longer requirements for this building. So I'm trying to continue move on by selling it.
So when you were building it, the Parish Council knew that you were building?
Yes, sir. Just like the others, everyone it's not my building alone.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.